Hi there, I'm Trevor. I'm a freelance vision mixer and I'm taking a look at the SAM Cooler today. What we're going to look at first is the program and preset banks. We have a program here, normal program and preset. Just draw your attention to the mnemonics on it. You can see I've written here as the third input long name just to show how clear it is, and you can see that from a good distance away. Also our stores 1 to 4 and our ME outputs. We've also got color-coded buttons if need be. I'll draw your attention to the key delegation area here. I'm able to select what key I want to change by using these buttons. I select it, and within about 2 or 3 seconds I have to select the key. That is now key 3. If I want to get to key 2, that is now key 2. These buttons are also used for macros. So I select macro up here. My key delegation bank turns into my macro bank. I also have on this panel, which is the 2ME panel, we have some macro buttons up here. If I hold these 2 buttons down and select that, I get back to my default, which is key 1. Moving over very slowly to the transition area, I've background plus 4 keys. I'm able to turn my keys on and off. Also, it's an indicator as to what's on air. I'm able to select my background or a clip transition, which we'll look at a little later. And I've got my mix, wipe, cut and auto trans buttons. Moving over to the key control area. This is where I select my setup on my keys. On some of those, I might want to change some of the parameters, and I might use some of the knobs here to adjust some of the parameters as well as the touch screen. We also have 4 key buttons with cut and mix transitions on them. Now these can be either the keys on the ME, or they can also be allocated as the DSKs 1 to 4, depending on what the user wants. So moving across to this area, this is our keypad area, where we also have a joystick for adjusting parameters on, say, a DVE.